The Lane Guide is the nation's premier lender database and your vital source for contacting lenders. Quickly find REO asset managers, loss mitigation contacts, and loan servicing departments and easily contact them at the click of a button. With over 140,000 listings, the Lane Guide provides you with key contact information on local and national lenders. Rich Lane with the Lane Guide explains the Lender Trace feature that shows you which lenders succeeded failed ones.
Shows you step by step what happened to that lender. So it went from Norwest Mortgage to Wells Fargo, and what you can do is just click this green Go to Cross-Reference button, and it will link you right to Wells Fargo Bank. And these have the different departments for Wells Fargo. So we have the Loan Servicing Department, and then we have the Commercial REO Department, the Loss Mitigation Department. We'll have the direct phone numbers to that office, website, email contacts, and fax numbers.
This information is vital for anyone contacting lenders. Search for REO departments, loss mitigation departments for short sales and loan modifications, and loan servicing departments for account balances, statements, payoffs, and releases.
And here we can do a search based on whether we want residential, commercial, or both, or just asset management companies. So let's do commercial. And we want to do Florida, for example. We can include or exclude loss mitigation departments, and we want offices nationwide which service in the selected state. So we hit continue. We get a results screen alphabetically from A to Z, and it gives us for the lender name, the department functions, what happens at this department, where they do REO, BPO, commercial, loss mitigation, the contact person for the REO administration, the address for that department. Then we have a link here to their email address, which links automatically to your email program, their phone and fax number. If you find a change on a listing, you can click this handy little report a change feature. We have a link to their website. The lender also has a online registration contact point form, or a REO property website. We'll have links to that directly too. And we also list information here as far as their last quarter's REO data, where we show the breakdown on their commercial, residential, multifamily. And we have the lender trends, which shows over the last 8 rolling quarters what their trend is and how the breakdown is between commercial, residential, multifamily, and construction loans.
With the Lane Guide CD-ROM version, you'll be able to email groups of matched lenders and mail your own customized introduction letter directly from our system.
All you do is click the Export Wizard icon, and now you can edit your custom form template in Microsoft Word. Replace this with your logo, your return address. This is the REO intro letter that we offer with the Lane Guide CD-ROM, and this is basically a form template that works with Microsoft Word. This is the basic template that comes with the program. You can edit this template, put in your logo, your return information at the top, and edit the letter as you see fit. And the address portion here automatically dates the letter and places the address and contact information for each lender in the correct position to read through a number 10 window envelope. On the bulk export wizard, we have different options, one of which you can do a mailing label, which works on any kind of Avery standard peel and stick label that you can put in your laser or inkjet printer. The form letter, the bulk email, which works with your email program. We have a quick list print export function, and we also have a custom export, which you can then select the different fields that you want to include and export it out to a comma delimited file that will open with Microsoft Excel, or you can import into your own contact manager software.
The CD-ROM Form Wizard saves you time and paperwork by automatically populating customizable forms and letters.
You click on the Form Letter Export Wizard here. It pops up with the information showing you the current listing that you have selected on the screen. Click Next. It pre-populates the form with your information, and then you can select any one of our predetermined letter templates, or you can create and use your own custom template. It will then ask you for information pertinent to the borrower or the property. Fill out the required forms. It will then confirm everything. If everything's correct, you can click the Finish button, and it will open up in Microsoft Word as a completed form.
Searches are automatically saved and updated with the newest version of data. Remember, with the Lane Guide, you'll receive continuous updates for as long as you subscribe, all included in our low annual subscription rate. Reliable data. Lane Guide has been in continuous publication since 1957. Thousands of real estate, lending, legal, and title professionals rely on data from the Lane Guide. It's the largest database available. Only Lane Guide has 140,000 listings, including successors of closed companies dating back nearly 100 years. Detailed listings include the specialized departments you need. Why spend hours surfing the net when you can get the key contact and direct phone or email address in seconds using the Lane Guide? Affordable service. Lane Guide costs only pennies per day. We have a low annual subscription rate, no monthly charges or setup fees. That means one low price has you covered for 12 full months. Here's how to order. Call 1-800-526-3484 or visit www.laneguide.com/products to subscribe today. That's laneguide.com/products. The Lane Guide is your vital source for contacting lenders.